Introducing this beautiful 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan SE conversion van. Offering an AMS rear entry manual fold-out ramp system. The rear entry system allows the mobility user to drive into the rear of the van with a 4-point strapping system to keep the mobility user and their mobility unit safe and secure. This vehicle features a 3.6-liter V6 engine and around 98,000 miles. Regain your mobility, independence, and freedom with this 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan SE rear entry conversion van. Call AutoMobility store and ask us about our nationwide vehicle shipping and delivery services. And don't forget to subscribe and comment below.